Every website, 10 must-haves. Watch this video to the end and learn 10 elements that every website must have. Hi, my name is Rana and I am from Digital Marketing Light. I help businesses just like you to succeed online by increasing online visibility. Number 1. Homepage. Homepage that quickly shows to all the visitors what your business is all about. Number 2. Contact details that are visible. Number 3. About us, about me. Did you know that About Me or About Us is the second most visited page on your website? So don't forget to add photos and be creative. Number 4. Call to action buttons. Tell your website visitors what is it that you want them to do. Learn more, subscribe, buy now, visit, get a quote. Number 5. Killer content. Let's be realistic. Content is that reason why people end up on your website. So provide a valuable content and nicely wrap it with visuals. Also, don't forget to update your content. Number 6. Information capture. These are the forms that are filled by website visitors in exchange for something that you offer or to get a quote. Number 7. Security. Make sure your website is secure to browse. Insecure website is not even an option. Number 8. HTML sitemaps. HTML sitemaps are designed to help search engines to crawl your website. It's like a roadmap of your website and informs search engines about all the URLs you have on your website. There are plenty of free tools to make a sitemap and it's a very easy task to do. Once done, submit it to Google on Google Search Console. Number 9. Social media integration. Social media integration encourages sharing. Did you know that your friends and family is the most trusted source of information about any business, services, and products? Number 10. All devices friendly. Make sure your website is all devices friendly. According to official Google statements, nearly 60% of all the searches globally comes from mobile devices. So these are the 10 must-have elements on every website. And here is one more. The last but not the least, it's actually one of the most important elements of every website. It's website loading speed. Make sure your website loads very quickly. But this topic deserves more time